We are going to review top 5 best pool ball sets. Let's get started. List number 1. Super ARAMITH TV Pro Cup Pool Ball Set. As seen on TV. Super ARAMITH Pro TV Ball Set made with Super ARAMITH Pro Phenolic Resin. Comes with ARAMITH Pro Cup Cue Ball. 4 and 12 balls are pink. 7 and 15 balls are brown. Replacement cue balls available. Is discontinued by manufacturer. No product dimensions: 9.7 by 9.7 by 2.5 inches, 6.59 pounds. Item model number SG_B0028XV8UI_US. Date first available, April 5, 2008. Manufacturer, Saluk. List number 2. Pool Table Billiard Ball Set, Art Number Style, 2 1/4, Regulation Size and Weight, made of polyester resin, 6-ounce balls, Art Number Style, price shown as for full set of balls including cue ball, set comes boxed. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no product dimensions, 10 by 3 by 10 inches, 7 pounds. Item model number, E41201 Art Set. Date first available, September 20, 2008. Manufacturer, ISZY Billiards. ASIN, B0060BCLB4. List number 3. American Challenge Billiard Soccer Ball Full Set. A complete set of billiard balls, including the cue ball. Get out and play a little soccer on the felt or kick around in the backyard and set up your pockets wherever they fit. This is a great game for parents and children. You can set it up in minutes using cones or pug goals as the pockets. Outer casing material, gloss polyurethane material. Backing material, 3 layers of cotton. Stitching, hand sewn, 32 panel. Bladder, butyl bladder, holds air for 2+ months. A complete set of billiard balls, including the cue ball. Guaranteed for 6 months against manufacturing defects, valve, bladder, shape and stitching. List number 4. Brunswick Centennial Billiard Balls. Just how round are they? The Centennials are as round as they get, being precisely formed within .001/1000th of an inch tolerance. They are manufactured by the Belgian company, Saluk, who also manufactures ARAMITH balls, makes this set for Brunswick. For the serious player who wants perfect sphericity and balance, this is the set for you. Please let us know if you would like a free break cloth as well to protect your Brunswick Centennial pool ball set and cloth. They are available upon request. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no product dimensions, 9.8 by 9.8 by 2.3 inches, 6.1 pounds. List number 5. Viper Billiard Master 2 1/4, Regulation Size Pool Balls. The Viper Billiard Master Complete 16 ball set is produced with exacting tolerances to ensure consistency in each ball. This full set includes solid balls, numbers 1 to 7, striped balls, numbers 9 to 15, an 8 ball, and a cue ball. Each billiard ball measures 2 to 1/4 of an inch in diameter, consistent with American style play. Is discontinued by manufacturer, no. Manufacturer recommended age, 14 years and up. Item model number, 530794. Department, unisex adult. Date first available, February 16, 2007.